Hi, this is Brent Van Orden, and this is my lab 4. This is my Monopoly project, where it goes through and shows kind of a small little buying and building phase of Monopoly using only the green properties. So as you can see here, it shows all the different things, what's on Pacific Avenue. Say there's 3 houses, 2 houses, and 2 houses, because you have to have them spread evenly based off how the game works, right? And say you have $1,000 to spend. How many houses are in the bank, basically? Let's say 10, 5, yes. Let's say I want to buy 3 more houses. And how many hotels? We're not going to buy any hotels yet. You submit it. It's like, all right, you purchased. This will cost $150. The purchase will be 3 houses. You need 1 house on Pacific to a total of 4. 1 house there and 1 house there, right? For a total of 3 and 3. So it's really nice because it'll tell you how many houses you need to put everywhere and where to put them. And let's see, if you say, like, I'm going to buy 8 houses because I don't know how this game works. You can have more than 12 houses across all 3 properties. Buy hotels instead. And you're like, oh, goodness, okay. 5 houses. And then we'll do 1 hotel. All right, this will cost $300. Purchase 1 hotels and 5 houses. Put a hotel on Pennsylvania and return any houses to the bank. Keep 4 houses on North Carolina. Keep 4 houses on Pacific. So basically, this is how it works. And look, if you don't have the properties at all, it's gonna be like, bro, you don't have the properties. And if you don't have enough money, so you have $100, it's gonna be like, you don't have enough money, bro. And yeah, and then also, if you say that only has 1, watch this. You don't have enough funds because of earlier, but also, since there's only 1 house left, the last house goes to auction, so anyone could buy it. Same thing goes for the properties, for the things here. And say, look, I want 5 houses. There are not enough houses available to purchase at this time. So you kind of get screwed over because you don't have enough houses to build what you want. But anyway, that's kind of how it works.